Hi there, my name is Amelia and I'll be giving voice to this course by Silvia J. Esteban. Silvia is a photographer, editorial designer and photography teacher at Apertura. She teaches beginner students about the beauty of light and how to discover the camera so that they can reflect on the picture what's inside their minds. She's also a layout teacher for advanced students, researches on pinhole photography and teaches how to create images without using a camera, like photograms or chemigrams. She's also interested in expressing the beauty of light in daily life situations. On this course, we're going to break with the automatic mode and start working on the manual mode so that we can get different effects when controlling motion or using the depth of field. We're also going to talk about the equipment and how to adjust the light using ISO, speed and diaphragm. We are going to play around with the options in the menu and use white balance to control color, so that we can improve the dominant colors in our image. Thus, this course is focused on those who want to give up on the auto mode and start using the manual one. We'll start from zero and we are going to be learning through the different lessons, so you don't need to be an expert. If you have a camera with manual options, then this course is for you.